If you've tried diet after diet, counted every calorie, pushed through the hunger pains, and despite all your hard work, the weight just never seems to come off, or even worse, it keeps coming back, I need you to know something. It's not your fault. It's not about willpower. The problem is that traditional diets are fighting against your body instead of working with it. Hi, I'm Shari Stricker, health coach at Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness, and I'm here to change everything you think about weight loss. That's why I'm so excited to announce our brand new personalized weight loss programs, along with a special offer you won't want to miss here at the clinic. We've taken everything we know about hormones, metabolism, and how your body actually works and created 2 incredible programs that finally give you weight loss solutions that last. We have Ignite, where you work directly with me every week for personalized coaching and accountability, and also Surge, our rapid results program designed to help you lose up to 20+ pounds in just 10 weeks. Here's what makes our approach completely different. We don't fight your hunger, we teach you to master it naturally. We balance your blood sugar, we find the perfect nutrition mix for your unique body and help you understand what your body is actually telling you. No more white knuckling through cravings, no more feeling like you're constantly battling yourself. Instead, you're going to learn to work with your body's natural systems to achieve long-lasting results. And the best part, you get my personalized guidance every step of the way, plus our physician-directed expertise that addresses the real reasons weight loss has felt impossible. Now, I have something really special for you. I'm offering your first consultation with me for just $49. In that session, you'll get a complete in-body scan. That's a detailed analysis of muscle mass, body fat, and metabolism. We'll go over your results together, discuss your health goals, and I'll help you pick the perfect program for your lifestyle. And here's the best part. If you decide to move forward with one of our programs, that $49 goes directly towards your investment. So it's basically a free consultation. If you're tired of the diet roller coaster and ready for an approach that actually works with your body, this is your moment. Our program have helped hundreds of people right here in Orlando achieve lasting weight loss success, and I can't wait for you to be next. Call us now at 407-507-3837 and ask to schedule your consultation with me, Shari. Don't wait. Let's get you started on the path to feeling amazing in your body again. You deserve to feel confident and energized and completely at home in your body, and I'm here to make that happen for you. Again, call 407-507-3837 today, and I can't wait to meet you and start this incredible journey together.